All right, this is our wet, nasty forklift. If you remember right, it smokes super bad. It has absolutely zero power. And we found out the timing was wrong on the injection pump. I've put glow plugs in it at one point in time. It's got new injectors in it. I'm going to take this and flip the solenoid to the on position. We'll go over here, we're going to manually key the glow plugs. The light comes on that is falling down below the dash. Let that run for just a second, and then we're going to see if this thing will start by itself. Ready? Smoke? That is the first time that thing has started without the assist of ether or rag soaked in gas or something like that. Friggin' A right. Again, we're not doing good videos, we're just doing videos, but that's it. I don't even put coolant in it. A right. Alright. Thanks for watching. Thanks for helping me with this mess as far as your support. This thing starts, and it did not start good before, and it smoked real bad and had no power, and I bet you it makes all kinds of power now. Again, thank you for watching. We will come back at you as soon as can with another something else, probably equally as ignorant and every bit as potentially dangerous to my life. Appreciate it, folks.